Stop scrolling. Because if you have an ADCB account and your Emirates ID is expired, your account could be blocked at any moment. Yes, you could lose access to your money, your mobile banking, and even your internet banking just because you didn't update one simple thing, your KYC. But don't worry, in this video, I will show you step by step how to update your KYC in ADCB in just a few minutes so your account stays safe, active, and fully accessible. Welcome to Tap and Solve. Before we start, make sure to subscribe because videos like this can literally save you from serious banking issues. Now let's fix this. First, open your ADCB mobile app. Tap on Login and sign in using your password or Face ID. Once you're on the dashboard, you might immediately see a notification pop up asking you to update your KYC details, especially if your Emirates ID has expired or you've received a new one. If you see this notification, tap on it. If you don't see it, don't worry. Just go to the Updates section and you should find the KYC update option there. Still don't see it? No problem. Tap on Profile. Then look for KYC and Declarations. You'll notice it marked in red with Need Attention. Tap on it. Now, ADCB will ask you to verify your identity using Face ID or your password. Go ahead and confirm. Once verified, you will land on the KYC dashboard. Here you will clearly see a message saying your Emirates ID is expired or needs updating. Tap on Update. Now enter your Emirates ID number manually, then enter the expiry date. Next, upload your Emirates ID images. Start with the front side, then upload the back side. If you don't have the physical Emirates ID yet, don't worry, you can download a digital copy. I have explained that in another video, and you will find the link in the description. Once your images are uploaded successfully, you will see a green check mark. Now carefully read the terms and conditions. Tick the checkbox and tap on Submit. That's it. You will now see a confirmation message saying your KYC update request has been submitted successfully. Tap back to Account Summary. To double-check, go back to your profile and open KYC and Declarations again. Verify yourself once more if asked. Now you will see everything marked in green showing your KYC is valid. You will also receive a confirmation message on your registered mobile number. And just like that, your account is safe again. No blocks, no restrictions, no stress. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others because this simple update can save someone from serious problems. If you still have any questions or need help, just comment below. I will definitely reply. Best of luck.